everyone, and welcome back. My name's Mark. Thanks for watching Plate It today. And today we're going to be making a homemade, from scratch, chicken pot pie with pearl onions. So let's get started. Step number one, you can see that we're peeling back the potatoes. Any potato that you like to use, the Yukon Gold, the russet, the red potato, doesn't matter. 3 to 4 small potatoes. The next step is to put them into the pot and boil them down, kind of like you would do potato salad. When you're starting that, you can boil them down probably for about 6 to 10 minutes, get them basically in C. So next we're going to create our white sauce or bechamel sauce or gravy. We're going to drop down some butter in a saucepan. We're going to let that melt. Get down there. We're making the filling now, basically. So this is everything. You want to melt your butter, get it bubbling, whisk in your flour, and stir constantly, and it will bubble up a little bit, which is fine. It's not burning or anything like that. You're getting that flour taste out of it anyway. So next we're going to go ahead. I use 2 cups of half and half. You can use milk or half and half. It doesn't matter. But I believe what I wanted to achieve was a creamier base. So I made sure I used the half and half on this. And when you're stirring this in, make sure you gradually stir it in. This is coming together right now. You can see that it's looking like white sauce. But we're going to season it up because this is your whole pie right here. You want to make sure that the filling is right, the consistency is right, and so that you don't want to just rush it. You got your heat on medium low or almost medium, and now we're going to put in the dry seasonings. We use some white pepper, some garlic powder, some thyme, some salt and pepper, and we stirred that in and let that simmer for a while. Here are the ingredients that are going to go into the filling. A traditional pie, American pie, will have the peas and carrots, some chicken, and the special thing that we did today is we're going to drop down some butter and saute to soften up some pearl onions. The pearl onions are easy to handle, but they're actually has a more delicate and flavorful taste than just a regular onion. So if you want to step up your pot pie, go ahead and use some of these pearl onions. I think they're really good. We're going to saute them down till they're a little soft. You can get them a little brown. And once they're brown like that, you know they're pretty much softer and you can fork them too. The next thing that we're going to do is add our chicken. We used about 2 cups of chicken. But this is just a rotisserie chicken that we had, and we just pulled it off. The potatoes are already done. We're going to drop them in here, and then we're going to drop in some peas and carrots. But I'm going to season this all the way through, so I added a little salt and pepper on the chicken as well, even though it was a rotisserie chicken. You don't want to kind of use the spoon to roughen up the peas and smash them. So I'm just using a different tool here, utensil, just to get that going. And you can see here that the gravy is ready to go, and it looks like it's too thick, But in the oven, you remember it's going to bake at 375 degrees for about 55 minutes. So it's going to loosen up. So you want to just go ahead and get you a pie dish, then spread it out, put it in, don't overfill. If it's more left, then that's good because you can make another one later. Add your topping to it, and then this is the fun part. You can just tuck it under and then crimp it. And that gives it a kind of a nice look, and it doesn't spill over as well. That's very important that you tuck under and crimp. And so after you do that, pretty much ready to go. You can cut the slit here with the cross in the center, and then just add your just brush on some egg wash just to get the patina, the glistening of the top, and it's ready to bake now. So we really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching all our videos. Subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. And we're going to show you the money shot now because we actually cut a piece out. Thank you again. We appreciate you at Plated.